With simple living in mind, the soft sunrise gets its motivation from the warm colors of the sun. This 3-bedroom condominium unit is a new home for a young family of 4. We have a cozy foyer near the main bathroom and kitchen, then we also have a dining area for 4 to 6 people. The living area includes a 3-seater sofa, media console, and a small work desk. Onto its left is the master bedroom and the one on its right is the kids' bedroom. Making use of the small entryway, we got an Ikea shoe cabinet and bench for this area. We went for white fluted panels to create a spark of contrast and intrigue in this space. We also have the kitchen, wherein we retained the existing cabinets. Instead, we chose geometrical tiles for the backsplash to add a bit of curiosity and pattern to the workspace. The dining is an intimate area for 4 to 6 people. Adding a bit of texture, we went for beige concrete finish for the wall and an oval mirror to add a bit of softness to the space. We have 4 dining chairs and a bench, a setup that the client can easily reconfigure based on the seats they need in different situations. The living room features a cream 3-seater leatherette sofa to contrast the dark gray accent wall behind it. We also have a media console merged with a small work area which is strategically placed next to a natural light source. We designed the kids' bedroom with future-proofing in mind. We painted the walls in purple as requested by the client, and we also chose a single bed with drawers below for additional storage. There used to be an awkward empty corner here, and we used that as an opportunity to create a custom wardrobe that can easily blend with the rest of the space. The master bedroom features a built-in headboard, a space they can use to put their phones on. We have a double bed with the floating bed frame, matching with the white and wood concept. Along with that, we also have a wardrobe that we got from Ikea. Adding a little change to the bathroom, we added a new medicine cabinet with mirror doors and sink cabinet for additional storage. The soft sunrise is a gentle reminder about the wonders of simple living through prioritizing function and comfort in the materials we choose. The way we design spaces is a reflection of how we want to live through time.